was talking about weather reports, and we have two other sources of weather information, weather reports specifically. We have the Awos system and the Asos systems. Both systems are automated. That's what the A stands for. It's automated weather reporting stations. They both provide weather condition data at certain airports if they're located there. We have thousands of them in the U.S. Awos reports are generated and broadcast every minute, so it's a constant update every minute, whereas Asos reports are released every hour. Data collector is formatted and delivered either audibly over the radio or audibly over the telephone, but they're also sent out in text formats as a METAR, so it becomes part of a METAR report. We've talked about that before. Those are the main differences between the two. How do you receive these messages? Of course, you can go to the Chart Supplement US and find the airport, and nearby, somewhere in that listing, there'll be a ASOS or AWOS, and then there'll be a telephone number. There'll be a frequency, of course, radio frequency, but more helpful to you, there'll be a telephone number that you can call to receive it. Or you can go to the FAA Surface Weather Observation site. It's actually, there'll be the URL right there, and here's a picture of it. You select a state, the weather station ID, or you can click on the map as well, and it'll give you a bunch of dots on the thing. You select the dot that's clearest to you. That will give you the identifier for that airport, of course. Since it's at an airport, it'll give you the frequency to receive weather, and it'll give a phone number as well. Now, some of these airports, it'll be actually called an ATIS, or Automatic Terminal Information Service, which is basically the same thing. It's weather, except that that's usually only forecast about once an hour. So that's another type of source of weather reports, anyway. So it gives you up-to-date information. Of course, your app on your phone, the Before You Fly app, and several other apps, and of course the drone manufacturer has their own app, and it will probably give you the winds, at least, and maybe visibility and some other information as well. But the official sites are the FAA sites and the ones that we mentioned.